Ever wondered why some people seem unstoppable at work while others struggle with self-doubt? The secret isn't talent or luck, it's something far simpler but incredibly powerful. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact strategy that can boost your confidence starting today. You might think confidence is about big speeches or bold moves, but here's a surprising truth. Real lasting confidence is built on something much smaller. Imagine transforming your workplace fear into a series of victories you can control. Sound too good to be true? Let's dive into how. Most people struggle with confidence at work because they focus on the wrong things. They set massive goals, compare themselves to others, and expect instant results. When they don't achieve those big wins immediately, they feel like failures. Ever hesitated to speak in a meeting because you feared sounding foolish? Or avoided a task because you weren't 100% sure you'd succeed? You're not alone. And here's why it happens. We often think confidence is something we need to feel before we take action, but in reality it's the other way around. Let me introduce you to the small wins strategy. Here's how it works. 1. Break down the big fear. Identify the big thing you're afraid of. Maybe it's presenting to senior management. That's the end goal, but it's too overwhelming as a single step. 2. Start tiny. Find the smallest action you can take today. For example, speak up once in a team meeting or volunteer to present a short update to your direct manager. Why does this work? Each small win creates a positive feedback loop. Your brain registers success and releases dopamine, a feel-good chemical that motivates you to keep going. Over time, these small successes compound. Imagine you're nervous about delegation. Instead of trying to delegate an entire project, start by handing off one small task. Notice what happens. You realize the world doesn't collapse. The person might even surprise you with their ability. Next time, it's easier to delegate something bigger. Here's the real kicker. Confidence isn't about eliminating fear. It's about proving to yourself, over and over, that you can handle challenges, one small step at a time. Each victory, no matter how minor, rewires your mindset. You start seeing yourself as someone who can. Think of confidence like a muscle. Would you walk into a gym and expect to lift 200 pounds on day one? No. You start light, build strength, and gradually increase the weight. The same principle applies here. So what's your first small win going to be? Maybe it's asking one question in a meeting, sharing one idea, or taking on a task slightly outside your comfort zone. Whatever it is, do it today, and then tomorrow do it again. Comment below and tell me, what's one small win you're going to tackle this week? And don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Mindset for more tips to level up your mindset and career.